Hello and welcome to another episode of the ISP F1 Visa Navigator, your trusted guide to navigating the US student visa process. My name is Houston Kadorima. In today's session, we are addressing an important topic that is becoming increasingly relevant for international students, especially those from Africa and other developing regions, the growing challenge of securing an F1 visa. If you are in the process of applying for an F1 visa or considering starting your journey, it is crucial to be aware of current trends at the US embassies around the world. In recent times, we've seen changes in the visa approval landscape that require applicants to be more strategic and well prepared. But here is the good news. At the International Scholars Program, we've continued to see hundreds of students succeed and get their visas thanks to the thorough preparation and support. This shows that while the environment might feel a bit more challenging, the right guidance can make all the difference. Applicants from Africa in particular have faced unique hurdles in the F1 visa process. Many students, despite being qualified and driven, are seeing their applications denied. However, not all African countries are affected in the same way. Some Southern African nations such as South Africa, Lesotho, Mauritius, Eswatini, and Botswana have relatively seen smoother visa outcomes, showing that experiences can vary significantly depending on the region. But regardless of where you are from, the key to success lies in how well you prepare and present your case. That's why the International Scholars Program exists to help students from across the continent to navigate these challenges with confidence. Now, the tightening visa environment isn't limited to Africa. It's part of a global trend. Countries around the world are adjusting their immigration and student visa policies, making it even more important than ever for applicants to present strong, well-prepared cases. That's why the International Scholars Program is more than just an academic program. It's a full support system designed to help you succeed from school applications to your F1 visa interview and beyond. So, what does this mean for students aiming to study in the US? It means the bar for visa approval is higher than ever. Demonstrating strong qualifications, clear academic papers, and credible home ties is no longer optional, it's critical. The F1 visa is a non-immigrant category under Section 214B of the Immigration and Nationality Act. The burden of proof is on you, the applicant. Several key factors contribute to the elevated denial rates among applicants from Africa and other developing countries. First is presumed intent to immigrate. In economically challenged regions, visa officers often assume students might use the F1 visa as a path to stay in the US permanently. And by law, they are expected to scrutinize for this. Next is the financial documentation. Many applicants struggle to present convincing, verifiable evidence of sufficient funds. Without that clarity, officers are reluctant to approve the application. The other thing is educational infrastructure gaps. Inconsistent schooling systems, limited program availability, and less recognized institutions make it difficult for officers to assess an applicant's academic readiness or the necessity of overseas study. The other thing is administrative bottlenecks, that is delays in processing, limited interview slots, and understaffed embassies can intensify the challenges, especially in high-demand regions. The result? A global playing field that is more competitive than ever, and a US visa process that is both welcoming and cautious. At the International Scholars Program, we go beyond university admissions. We train you to succeed in the visa process through intensive interview coaching, one-on-one visa strategy sessions, mock interviews with visa experts, and tools to help you clearly express your home ties, academic goals, and financial stability. If you have a bachelor's degree with at least a 2.8 GPA out of 4, and for Ugandan students, 3.8 out of 5, you are ready and eligible to join us, and your high school performance doesn't matter. We will guide you through school applications, visa preparations, and funding options to make your US study dream a reality. To learn more, Visit our website www.internationalscholarsprogram.com and download our program handbook. Follow us at International Scholars Program on X, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and drop your visa questions in the comments section. See you soon.